Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Penny Trader YouTube channel. Today I'd like to share my trading experience. This is the video I recorded today, and I entered this trade here. According to the strategy, so the green candle crossed the simple moving average, and then RSI is above 50 baseline, and then confirmation the next candle, but I'm late one candle here. But I entered this trade because the next resistance line I draw is here, so I hope then maybe the green candle, the bull candle, can reach this resistance line. So I entered this trade. But I suggest you better you stick on the trading rule, never against your trading rule or your management rule, money management. Let's see whether I win or lose this trade. Yeah, I lost this trade because I against my trading rule. So I'm late and one candle already here. So actually I should enter here the trade, but I'm late 1 minute. So this trade I lost because I against my trading rule. I entered this trade because this candle didn't cross, but actually when the red candle crossed the simple moving average and RSI is below 50 baseline, so even though this red candle still didn't cross this simple moving average, but I assume that this is a cross candle, and then wait for the next confirmation candle, and then I enter this trade. And the next level of the support line is here, so it's very close to this support line. So I'm not sure this trade win or not. So let's see what happens. Next time I enter two trade for this pair. I try to enter that trade, but not available. I don't know why. This is a very risky trade. I suggest do not enter this kind of trade because the first rule against our trading rule, because the candle didn't cross the simple moving average. Another point is that the price is even so close to the support line, so better do not enter this trade. I won this trade even though the trading rule did not match, the condition of the price do not match very well with my trading rule, but I won this trade because my entry price is above here, so another entry price is here. So even though it show the red green candle, but I won this trade. but I suggest you avoid this kind of price. Okay, let's go to another. I enter this trade because this condition is totally matched with our mind trading rule. So the first condition, when the green candle cross the simple moving average and RSI is above 50 baseline, and then baseline. So I wait one green candle here, confirmation candle, then I enter this trade. But you see, when I draw the resistance line here, so it's so close to the price, so this is not the best opportunity for us to trade. So but I enter this trade. So if you have not much experience, or if you are not too much confident on the market of the current price, do not enter the trade. Okay, so I enter this trade even though the price is so close to the resistance line here. Let's see what happens. I lose or I win. Yeah, I lost this trade because I did the prices very so close to the resistance zone. I entered this trade, but actually I need to wait 1 minute candle, one more minute candle here, because the price cross the green cross the simple moving average, which is period 5, and RSI is above 50 baseline, and then I need to wait the confirmation candle here. Yeah, but I think I need to wait confirmation candle here. Oh yes, so I wait, and now I enter this to trade here. I hope to win this trade. This is, and the resistance line is here, so there's still more space to form one green candle here. So I enter this trade. Let's see what happens. This kind of condition is perfectly matched with my trading rule. Please see the detailed trading strategy in the video description. Green candle cross 75 and another green candle form, so I enter this trade. So this price condition is perfectly matched to my trading rule, but I'm not sure this trade win or not. Yeah, I lost this trade because my one trade is marginally I lost. But then no problem, if you lost 0.00001, then you lost. If you win 0.0001, then you win. So this is binary, win or loss. So I lost both, even though the price condition perfectly matched with my trading rule. So it happens. So you may lose, even though you follow exactly the trading rule. But sometimes you may win, even though you against the trading rule. But I suggest you follow and stick to your trading strategy. Okay. I entered this trade. Actually, this green candle should cross this simple moving average and form the next green candle. But I suppose this green candle cross this, and because the resistance line is still far from the current price candle, so I predict the next candle should be green candle, and if there's enough space to form this bull candle here, so I enter this trade. But maybe you may apply this kind of price condition because the green candle doesn't cross very well to the symbol. You may avoid this price condition, but I enter this trade. Let's see what happened. I entered 2 trades here. I entered that trade, but not available. I don't know why. So the trading platform doesn't allow me to enter 3 trades in one pace at the same time. I won this trade. I enter this trade again because now the price condition perfectly matched with my trading rule. So the green candle cross the simple moving average and form another green candle here. So but it's very close to the resistance line, but I stupidly entered this trade. I'm not sure I win or lost. Even though the candle condition matched to the trading rule, but it's so close to the resistance line, so maybe the green candle from here or the red candle goes down. I don't know what happened. Now I lose this trade. Okay, I entered this trade. I entered to trade here because one red candle cross the simple moving average and then form the next candle as red candle, and but the resistance line the support line is here, so it's not a very good condition to enter the market. I'm not sure that the current candle can break out the support line or not. Let's see what happens. here I win one trade here, but this trade, the former one, this trade is draw. There's no profit or no loss here because the same price level close with the entry price. So I will win one trade here. Yeah, because this is a very risky trade because it's very close to the support line here. So I suggest you not to enter this kind of price if the price is so close to the support or resistance line. Okay, let's go forward. Enter this trade because the green candle cross, or here I assume this green candle cross the simple moving average line, and then the RSI maybe here it's above 50 baseline, and then the next confirmation candle is green, so the price condition is perfectly matched with the trading rule, but the current price is so close to the resistance line here, but this resistance line is not so strong as compared to this level here. So I think the price can easily break this resistance line here. So but the resistance, drawing the resistance line is just idea. Nobody knows, so the price will break out or pull back. Okay, so I think this resistance line is not so strong as I think, so I entered this trade, totally 2 trades. Let's see what happens. Okay, I went for the last trade. I entered this trade because the green candle crossed the simple moving average, and the RSI is above the 15 baseline, and then the next candle, green candle, is formed here. So this condition perfectly matched with my trading rule, and so I entered this trade. And the current prices, as you see, a little bit they are still very far from the resistance line here. I think there's enough space to form the green candle, so I predicted the current candle will form as bull candle, green candle. Okay, let's see what happened, whether I win or lose. won this trade because the price condition is, I think this is the most confident level. I enter this trade here, so I won this trade. You may also find this kind of price condition to enter the market. I entered this trade because the red candle crossed the simple moving average, and then I need to, and then the price is below the 50 baseline here, and then the next candle is red candle, but and then the level, the price level is still far from the support line. Actually, this support line is not so strong. It's very long history, maybe 1 day ago level, so I think they're not so strong support level. So I, even though the price the red kind of form as a doji, I don't think the price go up, or maybe I don't think the price go up forming the green candle. I predict the next candle should be red candle here to reach this support line. Actually, this support line is not recent level like this, so we can assume this is not so strong support level. So I predict the price goes down. Let's see what happens. You see, now I won this trade as I predicted, so the price goes down until the support line here. So I think this is the last trade of my trading today, because my daily profit targets already meet here. So I hope you can learn something from my trading video, and all the best. See you in the next video. Bye bye.